Media personalities, socialites and stakeholders were exposed by some of the hidden tourism gem and experience at the GP Val Lifestyle Boats Experience, hosted by the Sedibeng District and Gauteng Tourism. With this as the being heads of, Baba Gaugane-Diwe, spokesperson of Gauteng Tourism, elaborated on the tremendous courage, achievement and hard work played by his department.
Events like this helps us a lot in contributing to the economy of the province. But like we're here in the Val to make sure that this is not just a Joburg event, it's a Gauteng City Region event. We're interacting with the young designers here. All the established designers are taking them along, and that helps in nurturing the talent. But the event on its own, we're looking at this event as it grows up to contribute close to a whopping 2 billion to the Gauteng economy, and that's what events does to a city region. They help bring people stay over a period, and it happens during the summer festive campaign. So people are in a relaxed mood. They are here to enjoy and wind up the year. So we are hoping they will not only be coming for the race, they will be coming from tomorrow on Friday, and they will be leaving on Monday, and so therefore contributing hugely to the economy of the province and making sure that the money stays in the province.
Emerging designer Lotho Rabatsele and Rametsi Chabalala were some of the many designers we caught up with who gave us an input about this year's fashion trends.
You need to wear what's comfortable, but it's not going to make you feel uncomfortable. And then flat shoes for women, I think they're proper because it's on the lawn, the grass. And color, like prints, it's in. Yeah.
It's print, mixing it with a new evening look, but I'm using prints, so I think it's coming new. It's coming more beautiful and then exciting.
Celebrity fashion designer Ephraim Mulingwana of IFMO was also at the event and shared with us how tourism has contributed to the fashion sector.
Tourists come to South Africa, they always want to see what African South African can produce. They don't want to buy whatever they've got overseas. They don't want to buy their Versace because they've got it over there. They don't want to be Armani's, they've got it over there. So they want to come and see what they can get and take back home. As tourists. And then I think for the lack of better words, I'll say Gauteng Tourism, they came with a clever move to join forces with South African designers, because that it's going to even grow bigger to say, okay, here's a group or here's a eclectic part of designers that are of international standard and that can produce what international people are seeing, and that grows alone. And then again, it's plowing back into and advocating what the government is saying about building and creating entrepreneurs. And then being a designer is not just about a hobby. It's an entrepreneur. We're building. I've got a staff of 5 people that are working with me, and that alone, we're producing stuff.
He then went on to share with us some of the fashion tips on how to look good this summer.
Don't wear leggings. Less leggings will be amazing. And because now we want to wear leggings with everything, with the dresses, with the pants, with the, and the boys now, they're wearing leggings as well. Hello, da. So really, it's the most is dress comfortably, because a lot of people find out they'll wear the shortest dress and they keep on, when they walk, especially girls, keep on pulling down. Why are you wearing short dress if you're gonna keep on pulling down? Then don't wear it at all. So it's about comfortability. It's about wearing things that are, clothes that are breathable, because always check your weathers and global warmings here. So you cannot be wearing sticky clothes that's going to stretch, that's going to make you sweat.
Tapelo Moela, SABC, Johannesburg.